students, welcome to the current affairs of August second week. In this current affairs, we are going to discuss about important current affairs covered between 8th of August to 13th of August. So, in this we will discuss about various current affairs under different headings like national, international and science and technology and some other related aspects. Okay. The dates covered in this video is 8th of August to 13th of August 2021. Okay. First, now we are going to discuss about national current affairs. First, we will discuss about national current affairs. In national current affairs, first we are going to discuss about Ladakh. Okay. So, this news is all about what happened with the Ladakh. Government of India decided that to abolish inner line permit with Ladakh. Okay. Now I will tell you what is the meaning of inner line permit and in which states inner line permit is there and the history of inner line permit, that means how inner line permit evolved over the period of time, and we are also going to discuss about 6th schedule because inner line permit majorly in northeast states. So 6th schedule also deals with northeastern states. We will discuss about that. So all these topics we are going to cover. Okay. First let me explain. So in this class we are going to discuss about inner line permit meaning, inner line permit meaning and its applicability, that means in which states it is applicable, and we will discuss about 6th schedule, which states are mentioned in 6th schedule. Why we are discussing about this inner line permit? We are discussing about inner line permit because recently Government of India removed inner line permit for Ladakh. Government of India removed inner line permit for Ladakh. That is the reason we are discussing this. Okay. Now we will see. So what is this news is about? Okay, students, you know that Jammu Kashmir, previously it was a state, then Jammu Kashmir reorganized into 2 union territories. Jammu Kashmir reorganized into 2 union territories. One union territory is Ladakh and the other union territory is Jammu and Kashmir. Now we are discussing about Ladakh. Ladakh removes inner line permit for Indian national. Okay. So what is this inner line permit? This inner line permit means if you want to go into that area, you need to take the permission. The name itself is saying inner line permit. That means previously if you want to visit the Ladakh, okay, you have to take the permission at the entrance of the Ladakh. That permission generally consists of your name, purpose of your visit, how long you are going to stay in the place. All this kind of document is known as inner line permit. It is same like visa. When you go to some other countries, you need the visa. The same way, when you go to some specific areas in India, in those areas inner line permit is required. Previously, inner line permit was there for Ladakh. Now we removed. Okay. If you remove, then so what are the advantage? We'll discuss about if you remove. Okay. Obviously, the advantage is more number of people will go to Ladakh. What will happen if more number of people will go to Ladakh? Obviously, tourism will improve. That is a major advantage. Now we will see which Indian states are currently having the inner line permit. We will check. Okay, students. States in India. Okay. Arunachal Pradesh, first one, and Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. In these 4 states, inner line permit is there. In these 4 states, inner line permit is there. Remember once again, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. These are the 4 states, inner line permit is there. So once again, inner line permit means to go to these areas in these states, specific districts are there. If you are going to those areas, obviously you need the permission. Same like how you need the visa when you go to abroad. These are the places of requirement for inner line permits. Okay, so this not entire state. In that state, specific districts or specific tribal areas are there. Those only require this inner line permit. Remaining, they don't require this inner line permit requirements. So what is the news? The news is about Ladakh administration removed the requirement of inner line permit for all the Indian nationals who want to visit the Ladakh Union Territory. That means now, if you want to visit the Ladakh Union Territory, you don't need any permission. You don't need any, permit. That means inner line permit is not there for Ladakh. Then what is the use? Because of this decision, more number of people will go to Ladakh. By that way, so tourism in Ladakh will be improved. In general studies point of view, remember, tourism comes under the service sector. Tourism comes under the service sector of the Indian economy. Tourism comes under the service sector. Okay. Listen. Then, what is this inner line permit? I explained already to you. Inner line permit means it is a document required by outsiders. Document required by non-natives, outsiders, to visit a particular place. Which is already protected under inner line permit system. Okay. So this document is known as inner line permit. Now Ladakh is out of the inner line permits. Okay. States with inner line permits. Which states are with inner line permit? As I mentioned earlier, presently 4 northeastern states. They fall under the inner line permit system. They are number 1, Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland. Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland. These are the states which are under the inner line permit system. Very, very important. Now in examination point of view, so who issued it? Who issues it? Generally, it will be issued by the state government. Inner line permit generally will be issued by the state government, either online or offline. Okay, we will see further news. So, history of inner line permits. Students, before inner line permit was there, okay, previously inner line permit, it used to called as Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act. Very, very important. Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873. Okay, that means during the Britishers' time itself, this act was there. At that time, entire Northeast India, it considered as east of the Bengal area. So that is the reason they made this act, that is Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act. It was done by the Britishers. Okay, why they made this kind of act? To restrict the entry. So why they restrict the entry? Okay, so they want to restrict who? British administration. They want to restrict the tribal entry into their areas. So that is the reason they made this inner line permit concept. This was done to protect the interest of England Crown, that means British government, by preventing Indians in these regions. That means Britishers identified few areas. In those areas, Indians were not allowed. Okay, this system later developed as inner line permit. So far, we discussed about, so in which area recently inner line permit is removed? Ladakh. And then we discussed about, okay, what is the use of it? The use of it is, it will improve the rural tourism in Ladakh, because more number of people will go to that place. Then what is the inner line permit? We discussed. Inner line permit is a document, which gives permission to visit to that particular area, especially to non-local people. And we also discussed about which states are now applying the inner line permit. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. Then who issues also we discussed. Local government will issue that inner line permit either online or in person. Then we discussed about history of inner line permit. Inner line permits, it was started as Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act. Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873 by the Britishers. Okay, this was majorly done to protect the interest of Britishers. Then anyhow we discussed about the northeastern states. So obviously which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with, gives explanation about the administration of tribal areas. You know that, students, administration of tribal areas. Administration of tribal areas, how tribal areas should be administered. That explanation was given in the sixth schedule. Sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the administration of tribal areas. So the sixth schedule gives this administration of which areas, students? Administration of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. In competitive examination, these points are also very, very important. Okay, schedule 6 deals with the administration of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. So this special provision, it was provided under Article 244(2) as well as Article 275(1) of the Indian Constitution. Article 242(2) as well as Article 275(1). These two articles deals with the administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. So this was originally present in the Constitution. We did not added this schedule later. You know, students, out of the 12 schedules, originally how many schedules were there in the Indian Constitution? 8 schedules. 8 schedules were there originally in the Indian Constitution. Okay. Remaining 4 schedules we added later. It will give some kind of autonomy to the tribal regions in the northeast. That means whichever the states mentioned under the 6th schedule, in those states the tribal areas will have some powers on their own. That means they have certain kind of independency. So this 6th schedule was introduced in the Indian Constitution based on the recommendation of Bardoli Committee. Based on the recommendation of Bardoli Committee. You know, students, while Constitution was writing, so many committees were established, like Committee on Fundamental Rights, Steering Committee, and in this way, Committee on the Northeastern States. It was about Bardoli Committee. This Bardoli Committee given a report. Based on that report, this 6th schedule was introduced. Okay, students. Before we move on to the next one, before we move to the next news article, so just we will revise quickly. So far we discussed about what is inner line permit and inner line permit removed for Ladakh. What is the use? It will encourage the tourism. Now, which states have the inner line permit at present? Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Tripura. In these states, tribal authority, certain tribal districts have the inner line permit system. Who issues? State government will issue the inner line permit. When this concept was there, inner line permit, it concept from British time, British administration. In British administration, it was called as Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act. Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act. Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act. Then we also discussed about sixth schedule, which deals with the administration of certain states. They are known as Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. We discussed about this one as well. This sixth schedule was originally present in the Indian Constitution. This sixth schedule was recommended in the Indian Constitution by Bardoli Committee. Bardoli Committee. It recommended the 6th schedule. So this is about the first news article regarding the inner line permit of removal of inner line permit related to Ladakh. I hope you understood, students.